abandoned by doctors, addicted to benzos, near death in a Russian hospital. This is how Jordan Peterson crawled out of hell using 4 neuroscience-backed steps, and why your rock bottom could be your launch pad. From wheelchair to warrior, the 4-step protocol. At his peak, Peterson's lectures went viral, 50 million plus views, but crippling anxiety led to a prescription nightmare. 1.5 million pills later, his nervous system collapsed. Abandoned in detox, he faced 2 choices: die or reinvent recovery. Shocking stat, 80% of benzo addicts relapse. Peterson beat the odds. In that Russian hospital bed, Peterson had an epiphany. Depression isn't a moral failure, it's a chemical prison, and only disciplined action breaks the bars. When you crawl from the pit, you discover claws you never knew you had. The 4-step protocol. Step 1, physical reset. Step 1 was brutal. 0 processed foods, only meat, salt, and water. Why? To stabilize blood sugar spikes, destroying his dopamine receptors. Gut-brain axis repair equals 68% mood improvement. Step 2, neurocircuit training. Peterson forced his brain to relearn focus. 45 minutes daily of complex tasks, chess, music, Russian lessons. This rebuilt prefrontal cortex pathways fried by addiction. How to rewire addicted brain. Step 3, hierarchy of micro-wins. Make bed, walk 10 min, write 100 words. He resurrected his famous clean your room philosophy at microscale. Tiny wins equals dopamine hits. No 0 days. Ever. Small wins. Dopamine bursts, neural pathways lighting up. Step 4, purpose anchors. He tattooed his skin with reminders, I am needed. When withdrawal screamed, quit, his daughter's voice anchored him, we need you back, Dad. Harvard studies confirm Peterson's protocol works. Carnivore diets reduce brain inflammation by 40%. Micro-wins reactivate reward circuitry. Purpose lowers cortisol 2 times faster than medication. Your brain can recover, clinical proof. You don't need Peterson's pain to use his protocol. Start today. 1. Cut sugar, carbs. For 72 hours. Stabilize dopamine. 2. Master 1. Micro skill. Daily. Rewire focus. 3. Anchor to a why deeper than yourself. This comeback isn't just possible, it's your biological right. Subscribe for battle-tested recovery strategies. Comment. Step 1 if you'll begin the protocol. Watch next. The Carnivore Diet Reset, Science versus Myths.